Say hello, everyone.
Hi.
Now this is the beautiful, awesome day on the blizzard day.
Oh, it's cold and hot outside.
Let's go ahead, short.
Here's to present Aaron.
Hey, what's up? How's it going?
Here goes Vince.
Vince.
And Lonely April.
Hi.
Are we going in shorts or are we going in? Boxers?
Whatever. If you want the shorts. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Wait. Don't look at them. I can't see them. They can't see us.
Yeah, they didn't say nothing.
Oh god. Okay, alright, so.
Just do it like that. That's fine.
Sure?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, here we go.
Okay, when the thing says 27 minutes.
Quick first.
Oh my god. Not too bad. I got you.
Less than 2 minutes left.
It's 3 minutes, yes!
How long has it been?
Less than 2 minutes now.
I don't want to do this! I hate it! I don't want to do it!
Too late, April. Oh! Yo, it's not so bad as you used to. It's just a little windy.
It hurts! It hurts!
Oh, wind! Done?
No, 30 seconds.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. Good job. Ah! Take that, camera! Ah!
You know, I should help you guys out there with the snowballs, right?
It's over.
No.
I'm done. I'm so tired. Are we done?
Yeah, we're done.
We're done. Go ahead. Go ahead. Holy hell!
Any afterwards?
Never again. Never again.
Afterwards?
I'm a dumbass.
You? Afterwards?
My nipples are hard.
Did you guys see the lightning?
What?
Well, this is goodbye.